When you chain map and filter over a list, each step quietly builds a throwaway intermediate list. Transducers fix that. They're transformations that compose independently of the data and then run in a single pass. SRFI 171 brings them to Kaappi. List-transduce takes three things: a transducer, a reducer, and a collection. Tmap is the transducer that squares. R7RS is the reducer that collects into a list. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. The transducer transformed, the reducer collected. The transducer and the reducer are independent. Swap the reducer. Tfilter even, reduced with plus from 0, sums the even numbers instead of collecting them. 2 plus 4 plus 6, 12. Now the payoff. Transducers compose. We define a tiny compose, then keep the odds and square them. And compose this way, the whole thing runs in a single pass over the list, with no intermediate collection built in between. 1 through 10 becomes the squares of the odds: 1, 9, 25, 49, 81, in one walk down the list. That's the transducer idea. Separate the transformation from the data and the collector. Compose the steps and run them in one allocation-free pass. SRFI 171 in Kaappi. The docs and a browser playground are at kaappilang.org. Write the lambda, run on the metal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.